Hello, I'm going to show you how to put a toddler on your back with a buckle carrier, basically. So this is called the piggyback technique. It's super mega simple. If your child is standing, walking, and they're gonna hold on, this is the easiest way to put them on your back. So it works with pretty much every toddler carrier. I've got a Tula toddler carrier here. So I'm gonna put the waist belt on my back. I'm gonna clip on my front like this and tighten. So always try to have your waist belt on your waist, not on your hips. It can be a bit uncomfortable. And you're gonna leave your shoulder straps loose, so make sure you loosen them enough so they can go around your baby's back. When I say baby, I mean like toddler or preschooler, like that. And then get a toddler. Here we have Sebastian, 4 years old. So you're gonna stand Sebastian. You can do it from standing, like on a sofa or a chair, or if you're out and about, just kneel and then get them to climb. Basically, you're going to do a piggyback ride. You ready? Gonna go and climb on mama. Hold on tight. Tell them to hold on tight. Lean forward a little bit in case they decide they want to come off. You're going to grab the shoulder straps, and really important, for really high up, like this, so that the panel is all the way to the neck as much as possible. So give it a little shake, and then you're gonna clip your chest strap and tighten. So for the Tula, pull backwards, some will pull upwards, so whatever your carrier does. That's it, we're pretty much in. You're good. Readjust your chest strap, so if it's too snug or too loose or whatever, you can always make it tighter, or you can always move it up or down. So it should be like quite high up on your chest, whatever feels comfortable. And there you go. It's super simple. It's just the quickest way to do it. So you get them out. You can kneel on the floor if you're at home, over a sofa, sit down, clip the chest strap. Ready? Release the toddler. There you go. Super simple. Bye.